Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll guide you step by step to update your email on Facebook quickly. Log into Facebook, select your profile icon, then click Settings. Select Settings, then go to Settings and Privacy, and choose Personal. Click Add Contact, then Add Email to enter the new contact's details. Add a new email, check the box, and click Next. Since the email is already in this Facebook account, you won't be able to add it again. After selection, you will be asked to verify your email address to proceed. This message appears after verifying your email through your Gmail account. Facebook sends a code to your Gmail for final verification to accept the new email. Once you receive the code, enter it to complete the verification process. Click Close, then review your contact info to see the updated email address displayed here. Enter your email or contact info, then click this button to proceed. You can see the email added under Demo Test Facebook. You'll have options to delete it or change its visibility. Click to make this email your primary address on Facebook. Click the email section to view your primary and old emails. This shows how to add or change your email address in your Facebook account settings. Now you know how to change your Facebook email. Drop a like and subscribe for more quick tips.